Technology of manufacturing coins in ancient India. Introduction. Ancient India had a highly advanced coin making tradition. Coins were made using metals like silver, gold, copper, lead, and punch mark techniques. Different dynasties introduced new technologies according to their needs. Punch marked coins 600 BCE, 200 BCE, till the earliest technology of coin making in India, made during Mahajanapada and Maurya period. Technique. A small metal sheet, usually silver, was cut, heated, and hammered. Then symbols were punched on it using sharp iron dies. No king's portrait. Only symbols like sun, tree, mountain, animals. Each punch represented authority of a different official/region. These are India's oldest stamped coins. Cast coins 200 BCE, 200 CE, used in central and northwest India. Technology: molten metal poured into clay or stone molds. After cooling, coins were trimmed and polished. Symbols and letters were carved on the mold. Used by tribes like Yodhayas, Malavas, and early kingdoms. Die-struck coins 200 BCE onwards. Introduced by Indo-Greeks, later used by Kushanas, Satavahanas, Guptas. Technology: heated metal blank placed between two engraved dies. Struck with a hammer so images appeared on both sides. Allowed detailed designs, king's portrait, deities. Scripts like Brahmi and Kharosti produced uniform, high-quality coins. Gold coins Gupta period. Golden Age. Gupta rulers perfected coin making in pure gold. Used die striking with very fine engraving. Showed scenes of kings hunting, playing instruments, or performing rituals. Reverse side had goddess Lakshmi or other deities. Represents the highest artistic standard in ancient Indian numismatics. South Indian coin technologies. Tamil kingdoms used cast and die-struck copper coins. Cholas introduced coins with tiger, bow, fish, and ship symbols. Many coins marked with dynastic emblems for authenticity. Final summary. Ancient India used three main technologies: punch marking, casting, and die striking. Mauryans used silver punch marked coins. Indo-Greeks and Guptas introduced detailed die-struck coins with portraits and inscriptions. Coin making shows India's advanced knowledge of metallurgy, engraving, and artistic design.